Want this transition in CapCut? Okay guys, so there's two ways in which I do this. In CapCut, I'm going to show you guys the first way how to do it now. Export your video in the highest settings. Make sure to watch the full video because I'm going to show you how to do it the best way. Add it as an overlay and just follow my steps. Make it around 1.3 or 1.5 seconds long. Now go to adjust and follow my steps. Now go to mask and click mirror. Now rotate it to 90. Make it smaller like I do. Now copy my keyframes. Copy my graphs. Now add the chromatic effect. If you don't have access to it, don't worry, you don't need to use it, I just like to use it. Use these graphs. Now get the shake effect. Copy my keyframes and my settings. Now add wide angle effect. Copy my keyframes and settings. Now add a wide image overlay. Go to Splice and choose Hard. Now adjust it like I do, and go to opacity, and add keyframes at the start, middle, and end, and put it at 0 on the end ones. Then use these graphs between the keyframes. You can do what I'm about to do if you want, but you don't have to. Add this overlay, link will be in the comments. You can also join my Discord in the description to get many more overlays. Crop it where the line is out of frames. Adjust the overlay like me. Go to layers and put it in front the glitch effect. Remove the green background using Chroma key. Now zoom it in. Now go to Splice and choose Soft. Now go to Opacity and follow my steps. Now copy it and slide it under the first one, then you can rotate it or mirror it. Use this sound effect if you want. Here is the results. But if you want it like this, then you won't need all these overlays, only the white one. You won't need these effects either, only the shake one. Add this overlay. Link will be in the comments. Crop it where it ends, like I do. Now adjust it between your clips, like me. Use this splice option if you have it. If you don't have it, you'll need to get an old version if you're on Android. I use version 11.5.0. And this is your results.